What's going on, everybody? I'm out here fishing with my cousin in a beautiful spot today. We're trying to catch anything and everything. Mostly carp for me. And I think he's trying for catfish today.
Catfish and whatever else bites on my black rig.
Oh yeah. Hopefully it's a good day of fishing. You'll know if you see this video. And if you don't, then this is just for me. Beautiful spot though. So if you look closely, you can see as I attempt to lure in a fish. Some call these moves archaic and outdated, but they do end up luring in some fish for me and my cousin.
Telling me the fish don't want this?
Alright, I just got a super big bite. My fishing pole almost went straight into the water, and somehow I did not hook onto the carp.
Right.
But there is a lot of action right here today. It's getting a little dark,
Right.
but we out here. We're fishing for the giants. I nearly rolled down this hill into the water trying to catch my fishing pole.
Got a tree trunk.
Felt like a trunk. Oh my god. I know I'm gonna catch a big one. I feel it. There's some giant carp in here. Come on, fishy, fishy. I'm so ready for these fish. First catch of the day right here. There's fish, people. Oh yeah. Perfect, bro. That's a fatty. That one's eaten. Beautiful color. Kind of like a yellow green. And this is the cast. The cast to rule them all. There we go. Just had a bite.
You got shit.
Come on. Prove them wrong. Prove the naysayers wrong.
Like some gum.
Yes. Oh yeah. Pellets. Smells like a western saloon. Into the silent night we fish. Vigilantes of fishermen. What was that? What was that? Beautiful night out.
Jimmy took it off. Maybe he's sitting there with it.
Yeah. Went back in his burrow. Just sitting with it in his mouth. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yes. Yes. Catfish.
Same one. It's pretty color.
Damn. Woo. Woo. Where are my bites?
You're liking that garlic. Be catfishing here, boy.
Another cat from my cousin. Oh yeah. Oh, that's a big one. You want to reel in my other pole?
Yeah.
Oh shit. Whew. Let me see. Oh, it's over the line. Okay, so the line's just right over me. Okay, there we go. I think it's a catfish. No, I don't know. Shit. No, it's a carp. Okay. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah. Ooh.
Oh boy.
Yeah, that's a big one. Yeah, let's get her. Okay. Oh, that's a fat one. That's a 30-incher right there. Damn.
Hook right here? Oh no, that's
This is that night fishing. Okay, let's try to get out of the net.
okay.
Okay, what? Oh. Okay. Here you go. I'm probably just taking it. You want to hold the flashlight? Oh, that's a big one. Oh, barely hooked on it. Oh, there we go. Get that out of the way.
Yeah, that's a big boy.
Ooh. Yes. Let's get him out of there. Okay. I gotta measure this one. Let's see. Ooh, that's a fatty, bro. Yes, my boy.
My hand, dude. And I got a pretty good sized hand, too.
Where's the inches? Well, it's not a 30. Okay.
25?
I mean, it's fat though.
Yeah.
That's
It's
why.
heavy. It's a heavy.
Okay, 25. Put that back.
Alright, get you back in the water. Get you back in the water.
Hell yeah, bro. I wonder if I can.
Heavy fish. You want to take him over there?
Yeah. Yeah, that's a big one. Ooh. Ooh. Yeah. This is a fat one. Yeah. Like this?
Yeah. Go a little bit more. Look at the camera. Smile. There we go. Alright, let's go.
Yeah. Yeah.
Big boy fish.
Okay. I'll just put it down right here, and then I'll crawl down. Thank you, Mr. Carpy. There he goes. Yeah. All right, so I just caught that carp with this pack bait that I usually use. The breadcrumbs, sweet whole corn, and strawberry jello powder. Oh yeah, I think that might be the first carp I've caught at nighttime. Yeah, that was awesome though. Clean up my hands. All right, everybody, we're about to wrap it up for the night. The nighttime fishing has been concluded.